In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in a Canva template efficiently and effectively. Whether you're redesigning a marketing flyer or refreshing a personal project, switching out images in Canva is straightforward once you know the steps. First off, head over to canva.com and sign into your account. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of your screen. Canva offers flexibility with login options. You can access your account through Google or Facebook or by using your email. Choose the option that suits you best. Once you're logged in, you'll gain access to all of your projects. Next, choose the project you want to work with from your dashboard. You should select the relevant project where you wish to replace an image. With the project open, it's time to navigate to the specific design within that project. Click on the design where the image you want to change is located. This part allows you to focus your efforts on the right area of your project efficiently. Once you are in the correct design section, locate the image you want to replace. Simply click on it. This action not only highlights the image but also will trigger the appearance of editing options on the toolbar. Now that you've selected the image, the interface will display all sorts of editing tools you can use to refine your design. To replace the image, turn your attention to the left panel where you'll find the Uploads section. Here you have a couple of options. You can drag and drop a new image directly from your device into Canva, or you can select an existing file you've already uploaded. This step is great for using personal photos or custom graphics. If you prefer using stock images, click on Photos in the same left panel. Canva boasts a large stock photo library where you can search for a fitting image by simply typing in your desired keywords. Once you've found or uploaded your new image, all that's left is to drag and drop the image onto the existing one in your canvas. Canva is designed to replace the old image automatically with your new selection, making the process seamless. After replacing the image, it's important to adjust it to fit your design perfectly. You can resize it, reposition it, or apply other visual effects to match your project's style and aesthetic. And that's it! You've successfully replaced an image in a Canva template. With just a few clicks, you can breathe new life into your projects and get them looking just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.